Hey everybody, it's Tip Tuesday, so come on in. We're out of the closet. Remember, I told you last week that I was coming out of the closet. It's just such a beautiful day. I don't want to stay inside, and I want you all to be able to enjoy. We just had a rain, so it's a little foggy. And I'm sorry if you're a little wonky because my tripod messed up and it's not holding my camera correctly. But I'm sorry for that, and I'm going to try to get another one so that I won't be wonky. Okay, don't forget it's another day and another chance to sparkle, so keep a sparkle in your eye and a sparkle in your heart because it makes you beautiful. Let's get into some tips. I got me some tea here. Okay, let's get into some tips. I've been having problems with a little bit of milia, so I wanted to give you all a tip on how to get rid of milia. Now I don't have a lot, but even if you have a lot, and you know I love home remedies, so you can make a paste with 2 ingredients. You let it sit on the affected area. Like I have some milia right in here. It's not real big, but I have a little bit right in here. Just one little, but I get rid of them just as soon as they pop up. And I got one right here I'm going to be getting rid of. You make a paste with these 2 ingredients: cornstarch and apple cider vinegar. Okay? You make you a little paste with some apple cider vinegar and cornstarch, and you put it on the milia and let it set for 30 minutes and then wash it off. You do this every day, twice a day if you can, but at least once a day at night. And my second tip is use sugar, regular table white sugar, olive oil, and lemon. Juice 1 lemon and mix it with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a little bit of olive oil. And once you do that, apply this to your milia for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. Do this every day until the milia is gone. Now I found that on a channel called Natural Cures, and because I was looking for a way to get rid of the milia that I had coming up. Milia is not acne as people think. It's just it's not acne, and because babies get it. Okay, and now the third tip. Let me show you how I was telling you about the spoon that you can do your eyelashes with. You put the spoon just like this, and you push down on it just like this, and it curls your eyelashes. Curls them. Just like that. So if you leave your eyelash curler at home, you can curl your eyelashes just like that. Okay, now let's do the lips. Remember I told you that I had a trick where I could do my lips. Let's bring you a little closer. Okay, let me see where to go. Hang on. Okay. Oh, not on my eye, my lips. See, I can't, okay, right there. Okay, what you do, and I have, you make sure your lips are very soft, very soft. So I have stuff on them to make them soft. I learned this from a makeup artist. You know how we line our lips? Okay. Take everything off. Find a pencil that is the color of your lips. Now, in my case, I chose the Revlon Color Stay in Nude. In Nude. And this is what it looks like. Just like this. Revlon Color Stay in Nude. Oh. Anyway, that's how you do it. You start out by lining your lips a little above. Now, we all learned this a long time ago, but wait till you see the trick. Y'all noticed it's like watching paint dry, isn't it? And I brought you several things where you can, several pencils that you can get that are nude. Here's one, double wear in Spice. It's a nice nude color. I'll show you when I get my lips done. Now you take a brush. And your lips are naturally muted. See, you make them a little bigger. Let me use this mirror I have down here because I'll let you all see. And now this brush is a Royal Langnickel Omnia BOM 18 detail. And you kind of just you know how we blend our eyeshadow? Well, blend your lip color. If you think you don't have enough, just put a little more till you get it looking just like you like it. See how it's starting to get bigger? See? Now, and then there's another trick. Okay? Now you take in this case I'm using the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Color, and it looks like this. I got it in a BoxyCharm. Focus. Cella. And I'm using a thin, you want it to be thin and light as you can get it, as light as you can find it. And then you go above that and you put in that line. Now I'm not going to leave it harsh. It's like a shadow of how your lip would be curled up if it was big. The best way to do this is buy you an eyebrow pencil that is for a blonde. Okay? Just get one for a blonde. Take that same brush and mute that color again. Blend. Now, take your lipstick. Let me Oh, see, my thingy is brokey. Okay. Oh, please don't fall off camera. I'm so sorry, everybody. But at the end of my storm, there's coming a rainbow. Okay, see, my lips already look bigger. But once you, and I'll bring you close in. Now put your lipstick on. And I'm using the Pure Color by Estee Lauder in Beige Shimmer. And it's long lasting. Now you can use any color you want. Okay. Let me bring you in close again. Now I'm going to take my brush. Let me use my mirror. I can see better than I can in with this. I need just a little bit more. You tweak it as you go. I'm sorry my camera's wonky. Oh gosh, oh, I'm so sorry, everybody. Please forgive me. And then I am taking my MAC New York Apple in A327. And I'm going to go right in the middle. Okay, now see, I still have a little tweaking to do. And there you go. Got lipstick on my collar. No, that's my teeth. It's a little darker right on this side, isn't it? Let's do the trick. Okay, let me back you up. Whoa, now, Nelly. There you go. There you go. Backed up. What do y'all think? What do you think? Pretty, 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 I think. For a picture, now close up, yes, you can probably tell a little. But far off, not bad, huh? What do y'all think? You want to see the mountains today? They're kind of foggy. It's a wonder you don't hear the frogs a-hollering. Okay, and it's raining. So there's going to be a rainbow today. Alright, let me show you the mountains. See the fog? The fog down there on the mountaintop. It's nice to sit out here and have a cup of coffee in the evening. And it's been raining off and on. all day, off and on. Just a beautiful day though. Look how green everything is out through there. Just a beautiful, beautiful day. Our little garden right there, that's our peas. My husband went over the hill a little bit and made a flat spot to put peas. So we're going to have spring peas soon. So I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope it's sunshiny and beautiful in your neck of the woods. It's not sunshiny, but we need the rain for the gardens. So God knows what we need when we need it, and so He provides, doesn't He? Okay, I hope you all, again, have had a great day. Mine has been a busy day. I was so excited to get to come and see you all today. I miss you all. I'm glad for all of the ones that came to visit me on the porch Sunday. Now, don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that friend button down below. It's called the subscribe. Turn it from red to gray. They should have it from gray to red. Anyway, hit that little bell and make it go ding, or put the parentheses around it. Stick a thumb up in the air and share me around, because I want to travel and you're the only way that I'm going to get to. So I hope you all will come and visit me Thursday. I'm going to do an eye look, and we'll do some chit-chatting, and we'll do some praying, and maybe some other things. I don't know what we'll do, but I'll be here on Thursday, and I'll see you all then. And don't forget, at the end of every thunderstorm, every bad storm, there's always a rainbow. So don't forget. I love you guys. Bye.